Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you a very simple strategy that I use to catch over 9.5 RR trade in just 2 days, okay? So right now, what are we going to do? I'm going to just do a simple analysis using the same strategy, smart money concept, okay? So if you have been watching me, you know I used to start from the daily time frame. So kindly follow the same way. If you are still learning how to trade this strategy, okay, follow the same way, okay? So I start from the daily time frame. I just like to start from the daily time frame because Nasdaq and US30 has been in their all-time highs. They've been creating the highest highs ever since they've been released, okay? So right now on the daily, I like to know my buyers from the start, okay? So right here we also this push down here, you can see it yourself, okay? So we have broken it from here, okay, from the higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. This is a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, another higher high. But what happened? The market took out these areas, two higher lows, okay, which is now indicating to us that now we're in a big downtrend. So what am I going to be doing? I'm going to be mostly looking for supply areas to sell from, okay? So right now, without wasting much of our time, we're going to scale to the 4-hour time frame because on this 4-hour time frame, I would like to identify supply zones since I'm not seeing anyone right now as of now. So let me just mark it out here, the highs that was broken. First of all, this one is a major low that was broken here to change that trend, okay? You can see there was even a supply, there was even a demand that has been retested there, you can see it, but we never expected it to hold because of what the market has tested it here, so it cannot test it here again. So that's it for that one. Now let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Sorry. So on the 4-hour time frame, what am I seeing, guys? This is what I was saying. I was actually, looking for buys at some point, but I get to think about this. Okay, we're in a downtrend. Why am I even looking for buys? Why? That's what I asked myself. Let me delete this, okay? So what is that telling you? That is telling you that whenever you're in a downtrend, stop looking for buys. Always look from areas to sell from, supply zones to sell from. Then when you are in an uptrend, you start looking for demand areas to buy from. That's the way this forex market works, okay? So don't make that mistake because sometimes you find yourself looking for buyers which is not meant to be, okay? So right now we all know that we have a demand right here, okay? Sorry, we have a supply here. This was the trade here that I caught. First of all, on the 4-hour time frame, I saw this candle here. I saw something like this, okay? This is what I saw. I said, okay, let me scale to the 1-hour time frame. Let me see the bigger picture of this. Then I scaled to the 1-hour time frame. As of this time, the market was still trading, trying to push all the way to this upside here. So I've already spotted it. I said, okay, this is a very nice zone to sell from, okay? Then I said my stop loss is going to be very, very wide. If I'm to sell here and put my stop loss above here, it's going to be very, very wide, which is not good. I said, okay, let me scale to the lower time frame too and look for mini supply zones inside those ones, inside the 4-hour supply zone that I already marked out, okay? So inside this 4-hour here, so inside the 1 hour here, we already have this zone here. We already have this zone inside it. This is another zone to still sell from again, okay? But right now we're just making use of this one right here just to actually get into the market as fast as possible. So we saw that this trend was broken here and this also was broken here, okay? So we don't have to stress ourselves. So this low was now created. You can see it here. It was created and I plotted my my Fibonacci retracement all the way from this low to this high, okay? I was like, okay, this should make sense to sell from the yellow area, okay, which is also a discounted zone. So I went to the 30 minutes just to still look for, I'm just scaling, trying to bring up my to bring up a very nice sniper entry here. Okay, so I saw that this area, this red zone here, you can see it from this green line here, is a discounted zone. So I do like to sell from discounted zone instead of selling below it. You can see the market touched the 50% level, started reacting like as if we wanted to sell, but I was still chilling, you know. So right here, look what happened here. Okay, I just placed, I was like, okay, this is inside the 4 hour zone. Okay, right, and here we have another, after this candle here, you can see after this candle here, let me show you guys, after this black candle here, you can see this bearish candle. Okay, not black candle, okay, that's a mistake. You can see this bearish candle. You can see after this bearish candle, the market pushed, made this push all the way to the upside. It made this drop. Okay, that is more like drop based drop. Okay, demand, types of demand. Okay, sorry, types of supply and demand zones, they have types like that. I don't know, if you join my mentorship you get to learn about it. So I don't want to talk too much about it here. Okay, so right now you can see this supply here. I just marked it out like this. I say, okay, this is how it's going to work. We are going to, we first of all, we have Asian range here, Asian range here, Asian high. Okay, so I want the market to take it out. Once the market takes it out and tap into this 50% level, then I will look to short to the downside. And that's exactly what happened straight away. There was no time, everything happened as predicted, just like that, boom. And we placed our trade here. This was where it started from. Okay, so on the 5 minutes, I still came to 5 minutes to look for supply areas as well. I forgot to tell you guys about that, but let me just, place this first. So on the 5 minutes, I saw this. From here to here now, I saw this zone. Okay, just to refine it more better, I just marked it out just like this, and this was the entry right here. Okay, this was the sniper entry right here, and I also sent it to the free group. I don't know if anyone took it, but here, was all going in blues. Okay, I can't talk. I ended the Friday very, very nicely. So this is how I caught that sniper entry. It was no, like, there was no stress. There was no stress, guys. Everything was playing out very, very, very nice. Even gold did well. At some point, it took us out and still went like over 100 pips in profit in our trade. So guys, if you want to join my mentorship, kindly DM me. And if you have been in my mentorship before and we lost contact, because I had this contact loss before that made me to lose my previous mentorship mentees. Okay, so if you lost contact with me, kindly message me using the WhatsApp below. Let's join this thing and start making money together. See you guys in the next video. That is all for this video. Bye.